Hi. In this video, you will learn how you can optimize the page titles and meta descriptions of a website. Most people are under the illusion that an excellent web design and great content are enough to make websites visible to the intended searches. Well, this only gets half the job done. However, you need more than this for a website. Think about your first interaction with any website. What are the first few elements that you notice? Just like you, everyone will notice the title and the description on the search engine result page first. It's only when they are satisfied with these, they will click on the link to visit the website. So, page titles and meta descriptions are extremely essential to gain more traction. Relevant and attractive page titles and meta descriptions will result in better visibility and ultimately an increased click-through rate. An increased click-through rate will give your website higher rankings in Google search results for your desired keywords. You can consider optimizing page titles and meta tags. These are some of the most critical elements of search engine optimization for any website. Before we begin, let us make sure you are clear about what page titles and meta descriptions are. Both are forms of metadata which are not visible while browsing a website. However, these are detected by the search engines to index websites, which makes them essential. The easiest way to check the metadata is to look up their code on any website. For this, right-click on a page and select Show Page Sources. A box with the page code written in it will appear on the page. This might seem confusing, but you do not need to know anything about coding to understand this. You can find out the metadata in the code itself. The content within the title tags is the website's title. You can find the meta description written after the meta name under the description tag. Coming back to how an optimized page title and meta description can help you to get more visitors than your competitors. Users view multiple websites on the search engine result page. You must have noticed that you are more likely to click on a website's link if it fits your search query more closely than other websites. Well, as it turns out, it is not just you, it is everyone. This is why choosing the correct words for your page titles and meta descriptions that fit the user's intent is an absolute necessity. On top of this, the Google algorithm is such that if Google does not find your metadata to be appropriate, it will create a description on its own from the content on your website. This can sometimes be very disadvantageous as they might not cover your keywords, leading to a low-ranking web page. Thus, you would want to keep maximum control of how your website is presented in the search results. Now, to begin your optimization process, start with keyword research. While optimizing your page titles, your aim should be to match the focus keywords as closely as possible. Try to stand out. Highlight your USPs, and explain why you are better, and how you are different from your competitors. Mention the factors that will convince the web surfers to click on your website, and become your customers, and not that of your competitors. To get more information on keyword research and mapping them to specific pages, watch our videos on keyword research and advanced keyword research. Your next step is to identify your searcher's intent. Are they looking to buy a product or service? Or maybe they just want to gain a deeper understanding of a particular subject. Whatever their intent may be, you should be able to reflect that effectively through your page title and meta description. This will help you to draw your audience to your website and improve your chance at converting them into customers. Now, as you start optimizing your title and meta tags, you might wonder about the appropriate character limit for the same. The truth is, there isn't any character limit. It all depends on your title, as Google uses pixel width to measure the length of the title. This being said, most page titles are 50 to 60 characters long, and meta descriptions are 130 to 140 characters long. This limit is simply an estimate, and it does not guarantee that your content will fit in the algorithm. This basically covers the entire process for optimizing your page titles and meta descriptions. So, for more clarity on the subject, let us look at some examples of good page titles and meta descriptions. For the search laptops with good battery life, the first site has a long page title, and so, the whole page title is not visible. However, it does have all the qualities needed to attract a customer. The title almost completely matches the keywords, and as a cherry on the top, the keywords are at the start of the sentence. The meta description is reflecting the consumer's intent of purchasing a laptop. The following result is a little better than the previous one. Along with the qualities of the first result, the title is obvious, and so is the name of the company. The meta description is also using the keywords many times to attract more attention. The following result, however, is not as good as the previous two. Although the keywords are present in the title, they are not present in the meta description. Also, the title is not obvious. Since our goal is to maximize clicks, we will want to create something like the second example, or even the first one. Let us take another example. This time, let's search for creative writing courses. Out of the many results, let's review two that we picked at random. These results are not ideal because, firstly, the title tags are either too short that they have unused space, which could have been utilized more effectively. Secondly, the meta titles are not optimized to represent any uniqueness of the website that would make aspirants of creative writing courses want to opt for these brands. In this example, you see that this is a rather odd meta description. Is it good or bad? On the website, you can see that the meta description is linked to the related topics. This can turn out to be great, as they highlight the segments of their course, which a reader would definitely want to know, but they have not structured it to make it more appealing to the readers. With this, we come to the end of this session. You now know how to optimize your page titles and meta descriptions. We will see you in the next video.